Hello everyone, it's another sunny day here in Idaho, and I just want to show you guys what I've been up to today. My truck, standard truck, is really squatted down because I have a lot of these batteries, and don't forget to note that this truck also has a solar panel. But these are actually lead acid batteries. I'm going to be testing them, recycling and even reusing some of them that are still good. And the reason is they were used in medical devices where only about 25% of the packs should have gotten cycled regularly. So the other 75% of them are probably basically new. And so we've got our little soon-to-be company car. I'll be doing a lot of trainings and exciting stuff soon. But I wanted to show you why I didn't take this to pick up the batteries. And it's because I've been changing out some of the modules. I had all of the same modules on it, on the wings and the front, the Longy brand, and on the roof I had LG brand. And what I learned, here's a pro tip, they both produced about the same, even though the ones on the roof were supposed to be about 10% higher rated capacity. So these were 365s, the roof modules were 400 watts, and they produced about the same. I got these modules, this is what I wanted to show you. I was going to put them on the front, but unfortunately I'm going to have to switch them back to the old modules because they don't quite fit. This rack that I bought is steel and it's about 79 inches, and that's one of the reasons I wanted to use these two modules, is because one is a 72 cell, or actually probably 144 cell, because this technology, they split the cells. But you can see right here, this is how I was able to pick it up from one of my install partners. It is damaged. I mean, it got whacked in shipping, and you can really see, if I can get really close there, the layers of the panel, the back sheet that it has, and the glass, the silica then is sandwiched in there. These are split, and the bus bars are separated so that the panel functions more effectively in shade. But I really liked it. I wanted to put it on the front because it has these support beams in it to a 72 cell module, and it's a little bit lighter than the panels I was using. And then this is a standard residential panel. It's a standard black backsheet, triple black is what they call it, black cells, black backsheet, black frame, whereas this one is obviously just untreated aluminum or unpainted. And so let's really see the difference. And I'll still carry this one around, even though I'm not going to put it on the front of Project Griffin. And the reason I picked up it, same reason, it was damaged with the backsheet right there. So I was just going to cover that up. Damage isn't really a big deal for me. These panels are going to be bouncing around. But they don't fit. I'd have to rebuild my racking system. So now I'll just use these on my house. But I'm really excited to test and tinker with these batteries and potentially provide some really cheap backup battery systems for customers. I'll be doing, as I said, some training really soon, but I still have a few customers in the pipeline, and I'll be really excited to offer them some, no warranty here because they're used batteries, but they are low maintenance, sealed lead acid batteries. So very, very cheap. They were just going to recycle them, kind of throw them out. But the customer who is my contact told me that there's a lot of good cells in there because of the way the medical devices work. Typically only about 25% of the cells, the battery packs, see a lot of use. And then once they're, not working, they just replace all the batteries. So inefficiencies, but it saved them a lot of time and effort having to kind of test individual packs and cells, which is what I'm going to do now. So we'll get Griff on the road here very, very soon, and we'll just put back the two modules we took off of the front. I'll carry around in the back one of these residential modules so that at seminars and shows and whatnot, I can show people the difference between the look of these panels, if they care about looks, and the look of a triple black panel, a normal solar module on a residential application.